Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your device, of course. Wait for it to go off completely. And after it completely turns off, what you have to do is to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up, for a couple of seconds, just like this. And after the screen turns on, okay, so you have to hold it for like about 1 or 2 seconds. After that you will end up in the boot mode. Here in this mode you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select. So we have to select the first option, recovery mode. When you see this kind of Android robot and no command message under it, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. And after that you will end up in the recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.